Hello everyone, welcome once again to another headwear tutorial section by Neki Collection. Thank you so much for joining me in today's tutorial. So we are going to be learning how I covered this fascinator base, how I wired it, and then how I decorated it. So right now I've already molded the base. If you don't know how to mold this base, I will leave the link. I've already made a video on how you block your fascinator base. So if you don't know how to do this, you can check the comment section. I will leave the link to the video right there. So when you are done sun drying the hard base, I'm just going to pull off the paint and then separate the fascinator base from the mold. Okay, that's simply what I'm doing here. I'm just removing the paint so that I can easily separate them. Thank you all for joining me in today's tutorial. If you love content on how to make headwears, then I will encourage you to subscribe to my channel. And if you find value in my videos, please don't forget to like and share my videos. So let's go ahead to separate the fascinator base from this mold. And when I'm done doing this, I'm just going to be trimming off the excess. You can see the excess right there. I'm just going to trim them off. And due to the type of wiring I want to do on this very fascinator, I'm not going to be trimming it off at the tip or at the edge. You can see that I left some allowances and then trim them off. Can you see that? So right now I'm just going to be adding my wire, and you can simply use your tape rule and measure the round of this fascinator base, or you can just do this as I'm doing in the video. Cut my wire and then I'm using that wire to find the measurement that will be enough to go around, and after that I'm just going to seal it, hold the two ends together with my masking tape. Okay, so it's either you measure it or you just go ahead to use the wire to check the measurement that will be enough to go around your fascinator base. That's what I did here, and then I'm wrapping the two ends together. When I'm done doing this, I'm going to be fixing the wire right there inside the fascinator base, just showing you in this video. Okay, remember that if you don't know how to block this mold, check the comment section for the link. I'm going to leave it right there. I've already made a video on how you can block your fascinator base. Okay, so right now I'm fixing the wire inside, and when you are done doing this, you will see that your wire is fixed right there. Okay, so we are just going to go ahead to now wrap this base with our sequence material, and you watch and see what I will do and how I'm just going to wrap it. This very fascinator is very easy to make, and I believe you can easily understand it. But if you find anything difficult at all, you can leave your question in the comment section. If you find value in my video, please don't forget to like and share my videos, okay? And if you are yet to subscribe, please kindly do so. I create content on how to make your turbans, your fascinators, your headbands, and other headwear designs. Okay, so you subscribe so that you stay updated once I leave a video on my channel. Okay, so let's continue, and you can see what I'm doing here. I'm applying my glue right there at the edge of my fascinator base. You can see what I am doing, and after that I'm just going to be wrapping the fabric. I'm just going to be sticking the fabric on the glue. So you keep watching and you keep learning. Thank you all for sticking to my channel and always visiting and watching my tutorials. I believe you enjoyed the tutorials, and if you find value, please like my video. Thank you and keep watching. right now you see I've already covered the base with my sequins and I'm just trimming off the excess fabric. Okay, so the next thing now to do is to cover up this rough edge of our fascinator base. And first of all, you can apply your glue right inside your fascinator base and stick it down before you go ahead to use your trimming or your bias or your Peter Tam to cover up the rough edge. And I'm also going to be showing all of this in this video, so you pay attention and you keep watching and keep learning. So we are done covering up the rough parts of our fascinator base. So I'm just going to go ahead to fix my feathers right there on the fascinator base. You can actually apply your fabric glue on the feather and stick it, but for me I love to stitch it. So you just use your thread and needle to stitch it, and while stitching this, ensure that you don't make your thread visible on these other parts of the fascinator. So sew it in a way that it will come out very neat, very neat. Make it so invisible. You can use your normal thread for this sewing, or you can use the fishing line, which is also called the invisible thread, to sew this the feathers on the fascinator base. And when I'm through, I'm also going to be decorating it with my roses. Then I'll go ahead to fix my Alice band. If you don't know how to fix an Alice band properly on your fascinator base, then you keep watching and see how I will form the base, and then how I'll go ahead to attach it on my fascinator base. Thank you all for joining me. Remember that you can follow me on Instagram at Naked Collections, on Facebook at Naked Collections. You can just follow me and send me a message and I'll follow you right back. Okay? So thank you for always sticking to this channel. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please kindly do so. And if you find my content valuable, please don't just watch and go. Appreciate me and hit the like button. You can share my videos. Please don't sell, but you can share and recommend this video. Okay? Thank you all for visiting my channel, and thank you all our subscribers for staying with this channel. Thank you, and you keep watching and you keep learning.